Sometimes they arrest my colleagues, sometimes there is online surveillance or physical attacks, and even assassination attempts. But I'm going to tell you about a very specific type of attacks that I had to face as a financial manager of the organization. Yeah, there is another slide showing the attacks that we were experiencing. And in this picture on the right, you can see the door of our organization during the police raid at our office. They tried to break in with some chainsaw. So one day in 2019, I was sitting at my working desk in Moscow doing my usual financial duties, such as making some payments, sending salaries, and so on. And I refreshed the page of our online bank, and this is the screenshot of the page. This is what I saw there. There was a negative balance of almost minus 1 trillion rubles, which was approximately minus 13 billion euro at that moment. And as a financial manager, I almost had a heart attack. I almost fell down from my chair. I started screaming because I was responsible to cover salaries of more than 300 employees, to pay rent for more than 40 offices all across the country. And just like that, in one moment, we lose all the savings that we were keeping on this very bank account. And of course, I immediately called the bank to clarify the situation, but they refused to provide me with any explanation to this situation.